This area is quite redundant, and it's one of the main thoroughfares for new parents when they come to look at the school. So we wanted to capitalise on making the space useful. So this area is full of facts, it's full of information you want to come and read and find out more. What do you think about that?
People walk past and they just look and read and just make this place a really quiet place.
So something that Brenda from Sound Environment suggested, which I loved, was the idea of using words that maybe the children haven't heard, they're quite unusual words, but using it as an image like fish swirling round. And one of my favourite ones was Hodgson of walruses, and words like that which are really fun, but they also expand children's vocabulary, which is something that we're really working on in school. This staircase was quite a waste of space, and now it's full of space. But it's an inspirational area, and it's a place where children can wonder about the future and can be inspired by scientists and astronauts. This is one of my most favourite places in the entire school now. And it's such an inspirational space. It was just an old boring cream staircase, and now it's a place of adventure and invention and possibilities. So the beauty of having these areas covered is that we don't have to do anything else to them. They're really strong, really robust, and because we're not confining these things in classrooms, the impact for whole school is huge.